Hello YouTube, just a quick little video here just to show you how to open the bonnet on a Ford Transit Custom and normal Ford Transit, where the bonnet mechanism is seized and you can only open the bonnet via the key. First thing to do is protect the area around here on the passenger side, on the left hand side of the vehicle, and then using a suitable trim tool and a plastic wedge, you gently prise out the clips around here and up here, and then remove the front grille. Once the clips are parted, it's just a quick case of pulling off the grille itself, which is quite tough to get off, but it does come off with no damage. Once the grille is off, you can then, using a suitable hook, go up, and you can just, if you put your hand up right past, you can just see my fingers there, right up to the top landing panel, roughly around where the Ford badge is. You can pull down, or you can grab the cable with the hook and pull down on the cable, and that will then pop the bonnet open. On the later vehicles like this one it is difficult to get onto the cable itself and pull. As you can see, that's what I'm doing now, and what will happen then, that will pop the bonnet up. You can then lift it up manually by hand. In the gap, just flick the catch over and then get the bonnet up. What you then need to do then is just lubricate all this mechanism, and job's a good one. So, thanks for watching.